Okay, now let's look at these cameras. Okay, usually if we choose a camera, we need to check if this camera is installed internal of the vehicle or external of the vehicle. Okay, you need also choose the right lens. Usually we use 2.8 millimeter or 3.6 millimeter, and other lens is optional. Okay, next you need to consider of the IRs. Okay, for this mini camera is 12 pieces LEDs, and it's about 10 meters distance. Okay, next one is for internal cameras. You need to consider if you need audio or not. Okay, for this camera, if you need to add an audio, okay, and here is the audio port. Next consideration is that you need to consider if you need 720p HD or 1080p HD or analog 1000 TBL, 800 TBL, etc. Okay, now let's look at this camera. Okay, for these cameras, you can see there are three screws here to lock the camera, and here is 2 screws to lock this ball. Okay, now let's see how we install these on vehicles. Okay, when you get this camera, okay, you need to we have 3 screws here for fixing the seat. Okay, and we have a screw for you like this. Okay, now when you get this camera, okay, let's unscrew it. Okay, we can loosen it anti-clockwise. Okay, just loosen it here, this one, okay, and this one. Okay, when you loosen it, okay, and we can see we can take the camera out. Okay, this is the cover, this is the camera ball, you can see here, and we can see the seat. Okay, right. Okay, the next step is that you need to put this on the right location. Okay, you put this on the right location, and you use these 3 screws to fix the seat. Okay, right. Okay, when you're fixing this, and then you put the cameras here. You can see here is 3 rubbers. Okay, when in vehicle there is any vibration, and it can fix the camera very good. Okay, like this, right? Okay, and usually here you can align here. Here is the right image. Okay, and then you use this to. Okay, let's look at this. Okay. Yes, okay, and now we use the screw drivers to lock the camera. Okay, like this. 1 clockwise, 2, this 3. Okay, now when this is done, and you can adjust the angles of this camera to the right position you want to monitor, right? For example, when you get this done, okay, like this. Okay, when you get this done, you can fix these 2 screws, okay, to fix this lens. Okay, okay, clockwise. Okay, fix it, and we use this. Okay, like this way, clockwise. Okay. Okay. Okay, and when this is done, okay, it's fixed. Okay, so much for the demo of the use of these cameras. Thanks for watching.